In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a review tab on your Facebook business page. Having reviews visible on your page is a great way to build trust, encourage new customers to try your products or services, and collect valuable feedback. So in this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go in your Facebook settings to turn reviews on and make that reviews tab appear for visitors. First, open Facebook in your browser and go to your Facebook business page. Make sure you're logged into the account that has admin access to this page. If you manage multiple pages, double check that you've selected the correct one, because these settings are specific to each individual page. Once the page loads, you should see your cover image, your profile picture, and the usual navigation options for your business. Next, look for the settings option. Depending on the current layout, this may appear in the left-hand menu or under a More or Manage section near the top. You're looking for the general page settings area, not your personal profile settings. Go ahead and click on settings to open the page management dashboard. This is where Facebook keeps most of the controls for how your page appears and how people can interact with it. Inside settings, find and click on the section called Page and Tagging. This section controls what other people are allowed to do on your page, including how they can tag you and what kind of content they can leave. It might sit alongside other options like privacy or page roles, so just scroll until you see Page and Tagging and then select it. Once you're in the Page and Tagging settings, look for the option that says something along the lines of Allow others to view and leave reviews on your page. This is usually presented as a toggle switch. If that toggle is currently off, it means reviews are disabled and visitors won't see a reviews tab on your page. To enable it, simply click on the toggle so it turns on. When it's on, you're allowing people to both see existing reviews and write new ones. After turning this on, give Facebook a moment to update. Then you can head back to your main page view and you should see a reviews tab appear among your pages tabs, such as Home, About, and Photos. From this point forward, customers will be able to leave public reviews and ratings, helping your page look more active and trustworthy.